So you won't believe what I found in the middle of the Cotswold, a beautiful beach. So for this glorious day, hope everyone's enjoying the sun. Welcome to Wagwan Tours. And today I'm in the Cotswolds, at the Cotswolds Park. I'm going to have a look at this gorgeous beach and see what this has to offer. So see you, Wagwan. So you can see the beach goes all the way along here. So there is a little beach area you can sit on. There's also a green grass area as well. And then you've got water sports as well. So you can rent out, see the little swans in the distance. And you've got someone in a canoe or kayak over there, which is really nice. You've got picnic areas. You can also have a barbecue as well. Little kiosk there, it's not open today. And then across in this one, you've got inflatables, so you can do like proper fun water sports. And that does cost a little bit extra. If you are coming here and you're parking, it's £5. That does include your parking. Or you can walk in as well. So it does go quite far around. And there are little coves as well, so if you do want to be out of it, you've got little cove areas. Dogs aren't allowed in this area, but you can bring your dogs to the park. So just in the distance, you can see the inflatables, so we'll take a little look and see what you can do on there. Absolutely gorgeous day, so make the most of the weather. I think it's going to be really nice this week. Right, so this is the inflatables just on this side. I don't know if you guys can see because it's through the tree area. But you've got like a massive few slides. So it's all inflatables and you get like a life vest, obviously. There's no one on it at the moment. I think they do times, so you need to check out what times it's open. It's usually about 3 times a day, if I remember correctly. But do have a look on the website or ring up and I'm sure they'll be able to give you that information. And like I said, you've got like the barbecued area. So if you're here with a big group or a family, you've got somewhere you can sit, you've got benches. And then you've got the barbecued area, bin, and then that over there. Someone was on it earlier, so you had groups of people, but like I said, it is a timed thing, so it does need to be supervised for safety. So you've got like more parking around there. Looks like an episode of Wipeout, doesn't it? So yeah, if you want to see if you can do Wipeout, this is probably a really good place to come and have a little trial. Right, well. Oh, you can also hire out little cars as well. Well, I say cars, they're pedals. I don't know what you call that, pedal bike. Pedal, car bike. And then just in the distance, we'll see if you guys can see, there is like an actual shop and cafe, so you can get like food, drinks, ice creams. And that is all the way around the other side, which you can't see from this cove. But there is more seating area around there as well. And there's that big swan I was saying that you can rent out, so you've got people in there, fit quite a lot on there. thanks for joining me. Just wanted to show you what's on offer in Cotswolds. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like as well. Have a great day.